You may have recently seen the Elevation X on the cover of the July issue of Hearth and Home magazine. When it comes to the best, the Elevation X series traditional gas fireplaces deliver on premium quality, depth, and full viewing area, creating one of the most authentic gas fireplaces experiences with the custom burner, Ultra HD logs, endless embers electric ember bed, which modulates to fill the floor and is visible from every angle. Launching in the fall of 2019, the Elevation X series is available in 36 and 42-inch widths, both with low enclosure height for flexible installation options. What truly makes this series stand out is Eco Mode, which allows you to split flow and modulate between full and reduced flame options to manage fuel consumption and comfort. Throughout a phased approach, a wide variety of designer options have been released, including driftwood, maple, and birch logs, Whitney and Denali premium fronts with iron elements, over 10 decorative brick panel options, and 4 finishing trim colors, making the Elevation X series the ultimate choice for a traditional gas fireplace. Launched in the fall of 2019, the Altitude X series is part of a robust lineup of new traditional fireplaces for Napoleon. Available in a true full view 36 and 42-inch view area, the Altitude X series creates a logical upgrade from the more classical traditional fireplace, providing the contemporary, clean look that homeowners are asking for. What sets these models apart is the low enclosure height, which allows more flexible installation options. A true 4-inch deep TV recess for robust TV mount, which allows electrical and AV cables to pass through the enclosure, creation of an AHXM heat management kit for reduction of clearances. Adjustable finishing flange allows for a clean finish on a variety of finishing depths. You also have the ability to reduce from a 5/8-inch vent to a 4-7. And finally, ceramic glass with clean face design and firebox frame finishes off the AX series. With the popularity of our Oakville series launch back in early 2019, we are now ready to introduce the GDI 3NE. It is an electronic ignition insert using the ProFlame 2 ignition system. This will also be available with our millivolt system we are still currently able to sell in the United States and Ontario. Also coming in August will be additional 2 log choice options for the series. We will have a birch log set and a driftwood log set, and stay tuned for the announcement. Showcased at the HPBA show this March is our Napoleon Premium Accessory Wall. This beautiful display case is available in 2 styles. You can have it side by side or back to back, depending on the layout of your store. What's elegant about this is you get to show all the different media and options and logs you would ever need in any Napoleon gas fireplace. Starting off with the beautiful HD birch log set, maple log set, split oak design, or driftwood. And on the other side, we have all the brick patterns you would ever need, porcelain panels, crushed glass, and all the different finishing material for your accent fronts and surrounds. One of Napoleon's most tried and true gas fireplaces recently got a great update. Our Ascent 36, which always leads the market with viewing area, now has a stunning new log set and burner. This gas fireplace is perfect for any environment and any home. This extremely versatile gas fireplace offers top venting, rear venting, the usage of flex vent or rigid vent, so clearly stands out on its own. It'll go anywhere it's required. With top venting and rear venting available, a clean face design, and the ability to accept flex and rigid venting, the Ascent B36 is a very versatile choice for any installation. Including the same multitude of options you've come to expect with the Ascent series, from brick panels to decorative fronts, surrounds, trim kits, and media enhancement kits, it's customization made simple.